Welcome to Easy Engineers, an innovative way of training structure engineers. Imagine a training where you don't just read about forces, you feel them. Where you don't just study failures, you experience them. Where every concept is not just taught, but demonstrated, making engineering truly come to life. At Easy Engineers, you don't just learn, you master real-world challenges with unmatched confidence and emerge as an excellent leader in the industrial structural engineering field with crystal clear, practical concepts. Engineers often spend years grasping complex concepts. We've redefined learning. We've condensed such complex topics into a few power-packed sessions of immersive, hands-on learning through our revolutionary, research-backed, and easy-to-grasp training methods. Witness real-time force transfer and structural behaviours, whether it's lateral torsional buckling, minor axis buckling, base plate philosophy, connection concepts, column orientation, equipment load transfer, or gantry girder loading. Literally apply loads with your finger and feel the force transfer through vertical bracings, plan bracings, shear connections, and moment connections. Professionals from top multinational corporations, students, as well as faculties from leading universities have already enhanced their proficiency with our unique, researched training methods. Our candidates are thriving across industries, shaping the future of industrial structural design. Whether you're a fresher or an experienced engineer, this training sharpens your expertise and prepares you to become a future industry leader. Easy trainings do not merely cover design softwares. This exceptional training goes beyond design softwares, textbooks, and traditional teaching methods. The course covers industrial design concepts for steel structures, industrial design concepts for RCC structures, software detailed concepts. Not only that, we cover nearly all critical activities involved in executing MNC projects from start to finish at a structural design consultancy. Project documentation, interdisciplinary project inputs, load calculations, analysis and detailed design of industrial structures like pipe racks, sheds, technological structures, and pump houses. At the heart of Easy Engineers is our visionary trainer, Satish Jethwani, with more than 2 decades of experience in structural design for power plants and oil and gas structures. He has worked with industry leaders like Larsen and Toubro and Linde Engineering. For the past 10 years, Satish has served as the director and training head at Easy Engineers, leading hundreds of workshops and mentoring thousands of engineers. He has pioneered innovative methods to simplify complex structural engineering concepts. He doesn't just teach, he inspires engineers to think, innovate, and excel. Join our thriving community with thousands of followers, millions of views, and countless success stories. Easy Engineers is the trusted name for aspiring structural engineering professionals worldwide. Celebrate your success with industry-recognized certificates, enhancing your expertise and boosting your confidence in tackling complex projects. And that's just the training segment. Easy Engineers also offers structural design consultancy, ready to transform your engineering journey. EZ Engineers is here to make it happen.